Raymond! What are you doing here? Oh! You're the star of tonight's episode. Alright. Let's get drawing. Raymond, this green thick-skulled juggernaut, or at least the handsomest member for Boxman's allies. He's one of the dudes who thinks that he can surpass his own henchmen. What a jerk. Well, not exactly a jerk, but jerk in a good way. Alexa, next song.
That was the last song, starting over.
So I'm gonna have to deal with it. I don't understand what the big deal is. Can't find much music anymore. It's not easy being handsome. It's all thanks to Dan Doodle. Dan Doodle was the one who gave him the handsomeness. And done. That's how you draw Raymond.